Manual massage, clear channels, promote circulation, recommended duration, 15 minutes. Apply some oil to your hands, and warm it by rubbing it between your hands. Stroke from the neck down to the waist using both hands, and then return to the neck. Finally, gently press the Feng Qi and Feng Fu points. Using both hands, alternately push the Du channel towards the waist, then return to the neck, followed by gentle pressure to the Feng Qi and Feng Fu points. Using both hands, alternately push the bladder meridian towards the waist, then return to the neck, followed by gentle pressure to the Feng Qi and Feng Fu points, starting with the left side. Alternately push the entire scapulothoracic joint using the huku, the connective area between the thumb and index finger, of both hands. Then, push it back towards Dabin meridian, starting with the left side. Push Dabin meridian from the back of the neck with bent fingers of both hands. Push Dabin meridian using the huku of both hands, starting with the left side. Push from the shoulder to waist side, section by section with bent fingers of both hands, then return to the shoulder, and push to the elbow. On one side of the back, horizontally push bladder meridian with thumbs, from the scapula to the waist. Alternately stroke from the waist side to the shoulder using palms, and end at the palm. Repeat on the other side. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply RF cream evenly. Body RF, unclog channels, firm skin, and contour the body. Push the Du channel in 3 sections. Push the whole Du channel on the back. Push the bladder meridian in 3 sections. Push the bladder meridian. Glide the handle in circular motions along bladder meridian to Blieo point. Move the handle back and forth on Dabin meridian from the neck. Move the handle back and forth on the scapulothoracic joint. Move the handle from the left waist side to the right waist side back and forth. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply essential oil. Body vacuum and RF, dampness expulsion, detoxification, skin firming, and body shaping. Push the Du channel in 3 sections. Push the whole Du channel on the back. Push the bladder meridian in 3 sections. Push the bladder meridian. Glide the handle in circular motions along bladder meridian to Blieo point. Move the handle back and forth on Dabin meridian from the neck. Move the handle back and forth on the scapulothoracic joint. Move the handle from the left waist side to the right waist side back and forth. Wipe the treatment area with a